Hey, gal pals.
Right there is the Big Dipper. I really would like to throw this cookie out the window.
Do it.
Plug my
I will
socials.
put them in the bio. I'm gonna get this.
Welcome to my car tour. This is the sky.
I'm a Scorpio.
That's why you're so fucked up.
Right there is the Big Dipper.
That's a bear.
It's Ursa Major, you idiot. Boy, you're really a disgrace.
Do you know the quadratic formula?
Cassiopeia.
Yes.
What?
A squared.
No.
B squared. How? B squared. B squared to the square root.
B squared,
of
B squared,
negative B. 1/2.
No.
Okay, I know it, but like I don't know.
Equals. We're leaving to Princeton right now.
I have to swallow it. Like just. Okay.
Сейчас принесу тут эти здоровые курочки.
Ew. That shit was so good. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Swallow it, just swallow it, just swallow it.
It's so bad.
Wait, like
Screaming
two.
at me. Oh, I'm sorry. It's actually not that dark. Why is it so dark?
Yeah,
in
no,
here?
it's. I don't know actually.
Wait,
How do I
look.
fix that? Are we far?
No, it's like on that.
We're walking to a boba
Bubble tea.
Bubble tea yogurt for.
It's
we
like
don't
the
even
best
know. I don't
thing
even know what
ever,
it is.
like-
Okay, well we're going there. So. We found the place. Oh, this place is so cute actually. The bathroom is nice. I got a passion fruit peach lychee jelly fruit tea. Okay, that's it. I think I broke this. Okay.
Okay.
Clearly, I've never made Wawa coffee.
Just use this big straw.
Stop! Put it down. So basically, we asked this guy to stop splashing us, and then he was like, "Why would you be in the wave pool or whatever, the lazy river, if you don't want to get splashed?" Which, like, true. Wait, we never finished the story. We were at Hurricane Harbor. We were in the lazy river, and then this guy was like in front of us, and Mel asked one of the guys.
They were splashing, and I really didn't like the splashing, so I was just chilling there being lazy. And they had the nerve to splash us, so we asked them to stop. Had like the biggest nerve to literally just stand there and look at me like right in the eyes and just do the biggest splash.
He literally,
of, like,
he
his
took
life.
his arms up so high. I was sitting there laughing because like I didn't even know what to do. So we were in the lazy river, and the jets are like pushing you like forward. So I held onto a rock so they could like float away, and we wouldn't have to deal with them. They hold on to the rock too. Like they're starting to follow us, and we don't even know what to do. Like the jets were pulling me, and it hurt my hand. And they stood there. They stood there waiting for us to like float. Aww. Monday, we went to go get our nails done. We were crusty. And now we're at the beach. We've been here
Life's
since...
a beach.
Hello. We're at a carnival. I don't really know what this is. Yeah. We came home from the beach and got ready. And now we're here. Oh, shit! I just didn't. Flop down there. Like the wire was thick. Get it started. Okay, so we're in Seabright. No, we're not. We were just in Seabright. Okay, so we're in Pier Village, and we're walking around because we just got lunch. We're gonna go get dessert somewhere. Wait, that's a Lululemon pop-up? It is. There's so many nice cars here.
You know,
No, washing up the car.
We left this open.
Green, green, green. Yonder green.